If you love hosting or you're always looking for a thoughtful gift idea, this is something really special. Thanks to the brand for sending this item over for an honest try. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandochka. Today I'm sharing this beautiful bamboo charcuterie board gift set. And sometimes when you buy a serving board, it's just the board. And then you have to figure out utensils, labels, little bowls, everything separately. This set already includes it all. You get the bamboo board, utensils, 2 sauce bowls, slate labels with chalk, even a cheese guidebook that gives pairing ideas. It feels complete and ready for any gathering. The bamboo has a smooth finish and feels solid and durable. It doesn't feel flimsy or lightweight. It has that sturdy quality that makes it feel like it will last for years. And honestly, this would make such a beautiful gift. People will actually enjoy using when they host friends and family. It's simple, it's elegant, and it makes hosting feel a little more special without extra effort. Thanks for watching. See you next time.